Welcome back to the YouTube channel, the Assamese Jitu. Today we are going to discuss about countable nouns. These are my students.
My name is Samuel Jose Pepa.
My name is Chris Pawe.
There are some specific terms and conditions of countable nouns. Here it is: many nouns from their plural by adding s. For example,
Books, windows, combos.
Uh, Second rules, nouns which end in s, double s, sh, z, and x from their plural by adding es. For example,
Bus, buses, masses, dishes.
third rules, nouns which end in o from their plural by adding es.
Chairs, churches, dishes, masses, foxes.
Some nouns which end in o from their plural by adding s. For example,
Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes.
some nouns that end in f or fe from the plural by changing the f for fe to fe and adding es. For example,
Thief, thieves, wife, wives, lives.
some nouns which end in f or fe from their plural by adding s. For example,
Roof, ship, beliefs.
some nouns which end in a consonant followed by s from the plural by changing the y to I and adding s. For example,
City, cities, army, armies, lorries.
nouns which end in a vowel followed by y from the plural by adding s. For example,
Day, days, donkeys, boys.
some nouns do not follow any rules and regulations forming the plural. For example, child, children, men, goods, teeth, etc. If you have any doubt about English grammar, then please check my YouTube channel, the Assamese Jitu, and comment me how to increase my YouTube channel. And please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.